point, let's listen to the remarks coming from Sir Dave Janinoy, our handsome and attractive, active teacher here in Shanib National High School. Please give him a big round of applause.
Hello? Hello? Okay, again, good day. Good day to our school head, Dr. Rosela M. Praina, department head, Alexander M. Torres, to our teachers, students, and to our outgoing SSLJ officers and incoming SSLJ officers. So today is a moment of gratitude, transition, and new beginnings. So to our outgoing SSLJ officers, thank you for your dedication, your leadership, and your time for servicing, your time spent for servicing our school. Now to our incoming SSLJ officers, today is your today is not only you are giving or receiving a position, but accepting your responsibility. So leadership, is not about holding a title, but about helping others and being a good example. So let us continue to work together to make our school better. So congratulations to everyone and thank you.